Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these premium tempered glass screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 14.6 inch. Alright, so right here we have our premium tempered glass. This is a 9 hardness HD anti-scratch full coverage. It's got a lifetime replacement. It's free of bubbles, 99.9% transparency. It is easy to install. It's got highly responsive, and it is against oils and stains. So this one here, you do get a 2-pack, so it makes your screen look high response, high definition. So it's all super clear. It's got scratch and explosion proof. It is HD transparent. So let me go ahead and open these. It's super easy to install. Like I said, I will show you how to install it onto your device. So first off right here, you've got this one right here, and you have another one. So you get two inside. You get the little sticky tapes and the alcohols, so you can wipe it off and clean up all the stuff off your device. So we're going to put this one back. We're going to use this set right here to put it on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, which is right here. This is the Ultra. So this is a 14.6 inch. So if it's anything smaller than that, these will not fit. So what we're going to do is clean off the tablet screen, and then we're going to install this screen protector. So right here you do get the cloth. And you do get the little tape. So this tape right here will remove any of the little particles that are on the screen itself. It is specially designed for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultras, which is 14.6 inch. It's got a thin glass, gives you the experience of feeling the original screen. It does have a 9 hardness. It prevents keys and other outside objects for scratching it. It is 99% HD clarity, and it's original touch experience, so you don't have to worry about when you touch it, it don't get responsive. It is very responsive. You get two of them. So we're going to take this out, the little alcohol. Just clean up the screen a little bit. Make sure we get all the little fuzzies off. So you get the alcohol, and then you get the dry cloth. So just make sure we get everything off. Now we're going to grab this one here. It is lint proof. Just wipe this off. Make sure you get everywhere, because you do not want to put this on and you have little fuzzies all over. So you can see the fuzzies in the screen. So we're just wiping that off. And then there's a couple little fuzzies here, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our little stickers and go around it and try to remove it from the little stickers. This is a little sticker here. I like using this one. It's got a really nice grip to it. So just go around the screen, lightly tap it just to get all the little fuzzies off. My screen keeps turning on. So we got a lot of the fuzzies on. So when you apply this, you got to make sure you have it on straight. And then the bubbles should automatically move from the middle of the screen on out to the sides. So now we're going to work on getting the rest of these little fuzzies out. And then we're going to grab our glass protector, which it's in this little protective case so it doesn't break or crack. So we're just going to pick this up, and we're going to install it on the tablet. This is the actual glass. It is not a plastic thing. It is glass. So what we're going to do is remove the little plastic on the side so we can stick it to the tablet itself. So there's this little piece right here. Just pull off this little plastic, and then we'll just apply it to the tablet. You can see how the bubble is automatically removing it. So it's going to start pushing from the side. I did use my fingers to help it along, and I had to reset it to make sure it was set in the middle. So you can see it's removing the bubbles. I only have one in the middle, but most of them have been pushed to the side, and then you just use your finger to kind of push those along, just like this. And I did end up using the cloth to help me get in the middle, so I don't have finger marks on there. Just move it like this. Just move the one up from the middle. And then I did reset it because I had it off just a little bit. That's why it was a bubble in the middle. But as you can see, I did fix it all up. It has all the bubbles out. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and you're looking for a nice glass protector, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.